Welcome to Make an Open Source Drone, a course that will teach you how to build a quadcopter from scratch. Playing with drones, and especially quadcopters, is fast becoming a very popular hobby. As a hobby, it combines state-of-the-art open technology with large open spaces. It even gives me a great excuse to get out of my lab and get some sun. While you can just go to a shop and purchase a drone that is ready to fly, by doing so you miss out on all the fun and knowledge that comes with building your own flying machine. I admit I've done that myself. Getting my ready-to-fly drone out of its box and flying it was fun, but only for a short period of time. Soon after the first excitement settled, I realized that I didn't know much more about before I opened the box. I was also unable to do anything more than what the drone was programmed to do to begin with. That is why making your own open source drone is such a great way to have fun while learning. Hi, I'm Peter. I'm an educator and author of Maker Education Revolution. I've helped thousands of students from all around the world to learn and enjoy the tinkering with electronics. And in this course, we'll help you understand drones and how to build them. You learn about the mechanical and electronic components, how they interact. You learn about the software that provides semi-autonomous flight capabilities to drones. Motors, flight controllers, electronic speed controllers, batteries and chargers, receivers and transmitters, and so much more will all make sense as you progress through this course and go through the process of assembling your drone. We'll even show you how to upgrade your drone from a low-cost entry-level flight controller to one that packs a lot more resources, clearing the way to explore more advanced drone features and capabilities. By the end of the course, apart from being able to assemble your drone, you'll have the confidence to perform repairs and to extend its capabilities. We invite you to review the free lectures in the first section of the course to find out more details about it. If you are excited about learning how to build your own open source drone, join many other makers and us in Make an Open Source Drone.